In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can DM someone here on X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but go ahead and open up the X app. And once you open up the X app, what you need to do is tap the messages icon or the DM icon down in the bottom right. Once you go ahead and do that, it's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. What you need to go ahead and do, if you don't just want to DM someone as a part of your active DMs right here, is select the little DM with a plus icon down in the bottom right. This is going to pop up a new chat. Select whoever it is that you're trying to DM. And then, of course, you can type in your message as long as it is available. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.